So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we have a new product again from Noco. I like Noco because the quality is really good. And if you're interested in the Noco Genius 2, you can check out my video about the Noco Genius 2, also on the Noco Genius 5. So you can decide which one you want to buy in case you need to maintain your battery. But in today's video, we're gonna do unboxing for the Noco Boost Plus, the GB40. So we're gonna unbox this and do a test after the unboxing to see if it's really a good product. So now let's get started. So here we have the Noco Boost Plus GB40, and I'm gonna see what's inside the box. So the packaging is really nice. It's shrink wrap, and there's a lot of detail about the product on this box. So inside we have the Noco Boost Plus GB40. It's nice packaging. You can always tell the Noco product, they have a very good packaging on their product. Inside the box we have so we have this fabric bag where you can store your Noco Boost Plus if you're not using it. Got some nice quality clamps. The spring on the clamps is pretty strong, so for sure you can have a nice good grip on your battery if you're going to try to boost it with this clamp. So inside we have the charging cable to charge the GB40. Got some user guide and the included car charger. So if you want to charge the GB40 on the go, you just plug this to your cigarette lighter and you can charge your GB40. You got the 12-volt out here. You got the USB out, USB in. You got some flashlight here. That's good. So the GB40 is a portable lithium-ion battery jump starter pack that delivers about 1000 amps to jump start that battery. So it has a patented spark-proof technology. So even if you do the reverse polarity on the clamps, it's not gonna activate for the boost. So this is also a powerful portable power source for recharging your USB devices like a smartphone, tablet, or laptop. So it's designed for a car up to 6 liter of gas engine and up to 3 liter of diesel engine. You can boost those type of engines, and it has 1000 amperage, so you can jump start up to 20 times with a single charge. So it has a bright LED flashlight that has 100 lumens and 7 light modes, including SOS and emergency strobe. So that's pretty practical. If let's say you're changing a tire and it's dark outside, you can use that flashlight to help you out to light up your emergency situation. So here we have the power button, and here you're gonna see the power LED if the power is on. And here on this LED here you have the error light. On the other side here you're gonna see the charge of the GB40, so you can see the state of how much charge you still have inside the GB40. And here you have the boost LED, and on this one you have the manual override mode buttons. Let's say you wanna charge a dead battery, because this will not do a boost if you cannot detect a voltage on the battery. So if you really have a dead battery, like a 0-volt battery, that means it's completely dead, then you can use this to override it and still boost the battery even though you have no voltage on it, because this doesn't activate until it feels that there's a voltage on your battery. So with this you can override it, and then you can start boosting your battery. So this switch is for the light mode. So the length on this one is 6.6 inches and about 3.2 inches wide and 1.7 inch thick. So the GB40 has a tactical light grade. It has 100 lumen of LED flashlight. So you can do 100%, 50%, 10% of lighting, and also SOS in case you need an emergency signal for the situation. It can do a SOS flash, or you can do a blink, and also a strobe on this flashlight. So the error LED will illuminate red if it's reverse polarity, and also blink on and off if the internal temperature inside is too high. The boost LED will illuminate when the boost is active, and when you're on manual mode, this boost light will flash to let you know that it's on manual mode. So to activate the light, you have to turn the unit on. So now it's on, and it's telling me it's 50% charge. So because each bar represents 25% of the charge. So we're gonna try the light. That's 100%, 50%, 10%. This is the SOS. This one is the blink. And this is the strobe. So I'm gonna try to fully charge this GB40, and then we're gonna do a test to start the dead battery car. So the GB40 only comes with the charger for the car. In case you wanna charge the GB40 while driving, you only have the cigarette lighter plug adapter to charge the GB40 with the USB. So this is the USB cable. So if you wanna charge it at home, you're gonna need a power adapter. It's a USB power adapter, and you can use any USB power adapter. The higher the amperage is, the better. So I have this one. So this one has a 3 amp power adapter. I'm gonna charge it with this, and then after that we're gonna do the test to boost the dead battery car. So after charging the GB40 for 2 hours, now it's completely full at 100%. So you get the full bar, so it's 100%. And we are ready to boost the car to do the test. But before that, I'm gonna disconnect the negative on my car battery, and we're gonna pretend that it's a dead battery by disconnecting the battery. So the GB40 will not detect any voltage, so it's gonna pretend like it's a dead battery with the 0 volt. And I'm gonna try to start the car with just the GB40. We're gonna see if it's gonna start with just the booster pack. So but before that, have to connect the clamps, and it only goes one way. Just push it in, and that's it. Now we're ready to boost the car. So here I have the 2013 Acura MDX. This is my daily, and I'm gonna disconnect the negative of the battery, and we're gonna try to start it without any battery, just the booster pack. So I got my 10mm. put a rag over it. I'm gonna connect the GB40. I'm gonna connect the positive to the positive. I'm gonna connect the negative to the car. Negative. So I'm gonna turn on the GB40, and I'm gonna use the manual mode. So I'm gonna use the manual mode because there you go. So now the manual mode is activated. I'm gonna try to start the car with just a booster pack. There you go. I started the car with a dead battery. So now I have to turn it off because I don't want to charge my GB40 from the alternator of the car. So I'm going to turn it off. So now we already proved that the GB40 can start a dead battery. Up. Put back the battery. So I put back the battery. Now we're gonna see how much more power we have left. So we use about 25% of the charge. So it's still good for charging. So in my opinion, I think the Noco GB40 is a nice thing to have in your car, especially if you need some boost in a situation that you don't know when you're gonna need the boost. So at least you always have some backup to start up your car. And also it's a nice power bank. You know, you can charge your laptop or tablet on the go, and also you can charge this while driving because of the included cigarette lighter plug. So you can charge it while you're driving. Also when you go camping, maybe you need to charge your tablet or cell phone, so it's good to have. Plus you get the built-in lights for emergency situation, like doing some changing the flat on your car at night, or even sending SOS signals. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching.